Hey, my name's Paul. I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix your waders if they spring a leak in the field and you want to keep fishing. Let's get into it. Today, we'll be focusing on pinholes or small punctures. If you're experiencing issues locating your leak, have large rips, tears, or leaky booties, please send your waders to our incredible repair team in Reno. For this repair, you'll need Aquaseal UV repair adhesive and just a few minutes of your time. Make sure your waders are clean and dry and find a place in the shade. Okay, let's fix a hole in these waders. First step, turn your waders inside out. Next, be sure to clean and dry the wader surface before applying Aquaseal. Next, locate the pinhole. Sometimes it can be hard to find. A good place to start is where you got wet when you took your waders off. Next, evenly spread the Aquaseal UV repair adhesive over and around the damaged area. Replace the cap immediately. Now, expose the repair to sunlight or UV light. Aquaseal UV repair adhesive cures in about 30 seconds. It might take longer on a cloudy day. Right on, y'all, all finished. A single application should work for most repairs. Apply a second coat if needed. What are y'all waiting for? Get out there. Oh, dude, we're gonna use that one, aren't we?